Go.
We're gonna be doing a science project that someone said on YouTube, and we hope it is gonna work.
What is it?
It's ivory soap in a microwave.
And what's going to happen, Kaylee?
It's gonna poof up.
Poof up.
Oh.
Is it poofing?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. That is weird.
Oh.
Look at all that soap that we can use in the shower.
You think you can use it in the shower? I bet you after we take it out, it's going to flatten back down again.
No,
Oh.
someone actually took it out and it was like that. See?
That is pretty cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
Well, we know it works. There you have it.
But we have to wait a few seconds for the microwave. So, what?